Okay, let's take this as example 5 under Venn diagram. I'll draw example 1, example 2, example 3, example 4, and this example 5. And this kind of question is one of the external exam questions. Okay, so this question consists of three items. The one that we have been doing has to do with 2 items. We look at example 1, example 2, example 3, and example 4. They are all about of 2 items, but this one has to do with 3 items, where we have 3 subjects: English language, history, and what? And fine art. So in that case, we are going to have 3 regions instead of 2 regions. Now let's look at it. A school has 37 vacancies for the teachers. So let's start. 37 vacancies. So your intersection for the teacher is 37. Okay. Of which 22 are for English language. So you can make it the number of the English language, we have it as 22. 20 for history. We have 20 for history. And 17 for fine arts. 17 for fine arts. Now, of which of these vacancies, 11 are for both English language and history. So in that case, we have 11, that is English language, intersection history, intersection what? Intersection fine arts. So you put 1 here, so this one is going to give you as 11. Okay, as 11, or 11 minus x. Let's put 11 minus x. Then which other one again? We have 8 for both history and fine art. So the same way, we are going to have E intersection H intersection what? F. So we have 8 for both history and what? And fine art. So for both history and fine art, so you put 1 here, that is not English. So it's going to be 8 minus x. Okay? Then what else again? And 7 for English language and fine art. 7 for English language and fine art. We have E intersection H intersection what? F. So 7 for what? For English language and fine art. So it is not what? It is not history. So we have 7 minus x. Now, using a Venn diagram, find the number of the teachers who must be able to teach all the 3 subjects. So we need to know the number of the students, who should be the number of the teachers, who should be able to teach all the 3 subjects. So we have E intersection H intersection F. So we are going to make it to be x. Is that it? Then B, find arts only. The number of the teachers that are able to teach fine arts only. So in that case, you can say let E be what? Fine arts only. Let F, let me use F. Let me use A. Let's A, fine arts. Fine arts only. Fine arts only. Then which one that is? Fine arts only. Then what else again? Let let me say what? English only. English only. English language only. English language only. Then what else again? Then let H represent what? History. History only. Now let's draw the Venn diagram. let's represent all this information inside the Venn diagram. So we have here now we have three regions. The first region, the second one, and the third one. The third region. So here is universal, which is 37 vacancies. Then here is going to be English, only English language, which is what? English language, which is 22. Then here we have history, which is 20. Then we have fine arts, which is what? 17. Then the number of the teachers who should be able to teach all the three subjects, which is X, we put it in. Okay, now I said this region that I'm touching, this only English language just put E. Then this region is only history put H, and this region is only fine art just put small F. Okay, now we need to know this and this and this. That is English intersection what? Intersection H. That is those teachers that are able to take English language and history. We have them here as what? As 11 minus X. Then those teachers that are able to teach English and what? And fine art, which is this side, we have it as what? English and fine art as what? English and fine art as what? 7 minus X. And the last one here, which is what? History and fine art, we have history and fine art, which is what? 8 minus X. Okay? So before we can get this B now, we must know this X. And how do we obtain this X now? That is our concern, our major concern. So we have so we need to add all the region together. Add up all the region. Add up all the region. All the region. Now when you do that, what are you going to have? Or if I were you, I will calculate. Let's calculate what? Only English. Only English. Only English language. Only English language. Which is this equals to this one. We are going to add E plus 7 minus X plus X. Then plus what? Plus 11 minus X, then equals what? 22. There's only what? Only if you add this plus this plus this plus this, then equals to this one. Okay? Now, this one can cancel out. We have E, this plus this, that is 18 minus X, then equals what? 22. Then we have E, let's calculate only English now. We have equals to 22. Bring this one to the other side, we have minus this 22 minus 18. What do we have? The ball 1, this one give you 1, 11, 12 minus 8. That give you 4. So we have 4 here, then plus X. So you can call this one equation what? Equation 1. So only English now you have 4 plus X. Okay, now let's calculate only history. Only history language. Only history. Only history. Now, if it's something, if we are going to add everything together, equals to what? This guy. So we have H plus 11 minus X plus x, then plus what plus 8 minus x, then equals to what? Equals to 20. We want to get only history. Then this one will give you, this one can cancel out. Let's add this together. 11 plus this. That will give you 11 plus 19, then minus x equals to what? Equals to 20. So we have our h to be what? Equal to 20. Now just say 20 minus 19. That will give you 1. So we have x plus 1. So we can call this one equation 2. Okay? Now, what is the next thing? What is the next thing? So only words now, only fine arts, only fine arts, only fine arts. So only fine arts now we have this, this plus this plus this plus this equals to this one. So we have f plus f plus 1 plus 7 minus x, then plus 1 plus x, then plus 1 plus 8 minus x, then equal to 17. So what we have, this one will take care itself. So this plus that is 17. 17. No, sorry, 7 plus 3, that is 15. 8 plus 5, 8 plus 7, that give you 15. So we have f plus 1 plus 15, then minus 1 minus s equal to 17. So we have f equals to x. So we have 17 minus 1. Bring this on the other side, give you minus 15. So we have plus 1 plus 2. So that is only what? Only fine art. Now, having done that, now let's add all the regions together in order to know all the three subjects, the number of the subject that can be taken by all the teachers. Okay, now, what we do, let's cancel out this one. Let's cancel out this one now. Now, add up all the regions. Add up all the regions. All the regions. So we add up all the regions. Now let's do it. We have E plus everything we have here now. We have E 11 minus x plus x plus 7 minus x, then plus up plus f, then plus 8 minus x plus h, then equal to 37. That is the number of the vacancy in that school. Now, we have E, we have F, and we have H. Bring them together. We have E plus 1 plus F plus 1 plus H. Okay? Let this one cancel each other. So, x minus n will give you minus 2x. So, let's add this one. 11 plus 7, that will give you 18. Okay? And finally, this 11 plus 7 is 18, then plus 8. We have 26. So we have plus 26 there. Then equals to what? Equals to 37. And that is not the final answer. Now what is your E? Oh, I got E. What is your E? What's our E? Our F is x plus 2 plus our H is x plus 1. Then our H should be x plus 4. Then we have minus 2x plus 26 equal to 97. So let's add all this. This plus this plus this is going to give you 3x. Then with this one minus 2x. Now 2 plus 1, that is 3. Plus this, that is 7. 7. We have 26 plus 7. Like you got 31, 33. Yes, we give you 23. We have 27 minus 33. Is that it? Yes. So 3x minus x will give you our x will be what? 37 minus 33, that will give you 4. So that is the all the number of the teachers that are able to teach all the three subjects as well as 4. Okay? Then that is question number 1. That is question what? The number of the teachers that are able to teach all the three subjects is what is 4. Okay? The number of the teachers that can able to teach all the three subjects is what is 4. Now let's go to B. Only finance now. Only finance. So here we have we only finance, fine art. So only finance, what we have? We have it as F plus X. Only finance will be X plus 2. Our X is what is 4. Then plus 2. We have 4 plus 2. So this one gives 6. Only finance. Then English language and history, but not what? But not finance. So that is the last question. C. English language. English language and history, but not what? But not fine art. Okay, now for you to get that one, let me solve it here. So English language and history, but not fine art. Where is it? English language and history, but not fine art. So we have this one. It's going to be 11 minus x. So we have 11 minus 4. And what do we have? 11 minus 4 will give you 7. So that is how to obtain all the parameters, all the questions. Okay, so please always follow for more. Thank you.